Hi guys, I just wanted to show you this new freebie that I'm going to be sending out today. So make sure you are on my email list. If you're not already, you can get on there by going to carlinlaborio.com/#email and then subscribe on my email list and you'll get all these fun freebies. So this one is going to be a digital and printable freebie for all of my updated SCR and ECR planners. So how could you use these planners? You can print the printable versions. Students can write on them before they type their final copy on the computer. You can also make the printable versions into posters or anchor charts. You could use colorful Post-it notes and use the same colors that I use, and students can write on those and stick them directly on the printable planner. That's really fun for revising and editing. Also, you can make a copy of the digital version of the planner and you can assign it on Google Classroom along with a PDF of the passage or a read aloud video of a book that you found on YouTube. Students can work with a buddy or they could work independently to complete the digital planner. And that can be their final copy because they're typing sentences right on the planner. Digital planners are great for students with dysgraphia, dyslexia, etc. Special education students can use accommodations that they get through ARD committee meetings on the digital planners, such as the microphone for speech to text. You can set up predictive spelling on Google Docs and or spell check. So these are editable, so you can edit them to suit your students' needs. You can just copy and paste. You can create a copy and just save that one planner in you can make several copies. So what's included in this resource? You're going to get the SCR, and I'm going to flip through and show you. You're going to get the SCR planner that you can print two to a page and attach those to assignments. You can do the digital version and type a question at the top, and the students can type using the color coding directly on the planner. You're going to get an ECR basic planner. All of these come in print and digital versions, 2Cs and 2Es, 3Cs and 3Es, and argumentative planners. And a new one that I just made especially for only 8th grade to English 2. That one's going to have the counter argument, and I made two different versions. So let's take a look at what you're going to get with this freebie. This is the SCR planner that you can print. It comes two to a page, and the kids can write right on it. Even 2nd grade could use this. They could circle or highlight the keywords that they're going to use, their sentence starters, and you can print these. You can attach them to assignments, or you can use the digital version. And I put some sample questions, one for fiction and one for nonfiction, but you can type directly on this and edit the question, and then you can make a copy of just this page, and you can assign this on Google Classroom and see how when the students type their response, it's already going to be color coded, which will help them to visually remember, did I restate and answer the question? Did I cite my evidence? It needs those two parts. Then there's a basic planner that you can print, and then a digital basic planner that you can assign to Google Classroom or whatever you use. This one is kind of in the middle. This one is 2Cs and 2Es. This one is great for 3rd grade, but you could use it for any grade. And then it also has a digital version. You can choose to keep the sentence starters on there, or you can take those off. Because like I said, you can edit these. This one is a little more advanced. This one has 3Cs and 3Es, printable. And then this one is the digital version. And then here is your argumentative planner. This is going to be for 3rd to 7th grade if the ECR is argumentative. So they're going to restate the question, state their opinion, summarize the reasons. And then they have reason 1 is kind of like a main idea, evidence, explain. And these would make up different paragraphs. If they don't have 3 reasons, they could do 2 reasons on here and just not use the other boxes. This is the digital version. So you could even highlight this row and take it out if it's too much. If it's like 3rd grade or something like that, or sped student, You can definitely modify these. As you can see, I didn't add the sentence starters on this digital one because it was taking up too much space, but you could definitely add those in if you wanted to. Okay, so now we have 8th grade to English 2, the counter argument. This is brand new. So what I did after talking to teachers is I made 2 versions. This one is going to take out that third reason, and instead that's going to be the counter argument paragraph, where students are going to identify and refute the argument. So they're going to introduce the counter argument and then refute it. And I put some sentence starters that I found, and that is 8th grade and up only. And then they have their conclusion where they clearly state their opinion again. They summarize the reasons and they can add in definitive words. And then this is the digital version that you could assign digitally. And then this one has 3 boxes because I couldn't decide. So you can choose which one you like better. This one has the counter argument where they would state that. Maybe when they're identifying, they're using text evidence, was my thought, in keeping it with these columns. And then the refute is kind of in their own words, they're explaining it. So I decided to keep it all purple because it all goes with the counter argument, but it also kind of goes with those columns. So you can choose which one you like better. And then this is the digital version, and that is it. So make sure you add yourself to my email list, carlinlaborio.com/#email. And there will be a link for you to add yourself to my email list, and you'll get all kinds of good freebies. So I hope this resource helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.